Vijay, NXP Semiconductor, obviously in a different part of the industry. What's the setup here as they try to contend with a cycle that's been a little bit tough?
Sure. Thanks for having me on, Mike. I think if you look at the analog group as a whole, including NXPI, what we're seeing is probably 2 years of underperformance. And so we think now what you're seeing is the analog group has finally gone through a significant inventory correction, and we should start to see inventory across the supply chain start to normalize, and that sets it up for a nice, nice outperformance over the next 6 months, 2 years. What we see also is automotive in the June quarter has been fairly strong. Both global LVP has been up 3% sequentially, and China, where they have a big footprint, has been up 12% sequentially on the automotive side. So that should be a tailwind for NXPI here in the June quarter when they report. So we see that analog group actually start to catch up after a period of relative underperformance and start to actually outperform the group. So.
What would you expect the street would need to see in the way of guidance at this point? What seems to be priced in?
Yeah, I think what the street would be looking for is definitely modest acceleration on the top line, plus also inventory starting to flatten out or come down, especially as a lot of these suppliers, chip suppliers, are putting utilization fairly at low levels. And so as demand picks up, an automatic translation from that would be lower inventories, and that obviously is very positive for the entire supply chain. So.
You do mention this sort of overhang of increasing fab capacity. Is that something that is going to be sort of worked off as a concern gradually?
Yeah, there's definitely a concern over the last 9, 12 months. But what we've seen recently is almost every chip supplier has been cutting back utilization. So that obviously takes out some of the concern on overcapacity. But you're still seeing, definitely concerns of capacity building out in some of the other segments of analog, like silicon carbide on the EV side, especially in China. And so that continues to be a little bit of a headwind. But obviously, NXPI does not play on the silicon carbide side. They are primarily on the silicon side. And there you have gone through a significant adjustment across the supply chain. So.
I know you upgraded NXP a couple months ago, I guess, not too far from current levels, but you prefer it to other names in the group like Texas Instruments?
Yeah, we actually think NXPI, Microchip, et cetera, should all start to do well over the next 6, 12 months. TI obviously is a global leader in analog, but where they have some challenges is they're bringing on a lot of capacity, obviously bringing on multiple fabs. And they also have a little bit of a headwind in China where there's a lot of pricing pressure and a lot of capacity coming on domestically. But what you see typically in a market that's kind of starting to go, starting to roar back is some of the lower-end names start to outperform, and that's what you're seeing on Texas Instruments. But we do see some challenges there, given the capacity and the capex levels that they have. So.
Got it. Vijay, thanks very much. We'll see what the numbers are in just a bit.